how to log into your Temu account on your Temu app. First, you'll need the Temu application so you can download it from Play Store or your App Store. Once you do that, just open the app and you will be greeted by this login page. Here you can log in using different options, so you can enter your email address, or you can use Google or even Facebook, or you can continue with your phone number and X as well. For now, I've just used Google to sign up. So I'm just gonna use Google. I'm just gonna tap on continue with Google. Once you have chosen your Google account, this will directly log into your account. As you can see, I am logged in right here. So if I go to this U section right here, this is my profile and I have logged in. As you can see, my name is showing right here. So yeah, that's how you can easily log into your Temu account on your app. We've also made a video on how to log in using your web browser. So if you are confused about that, you can check that video out as well. I hope you found the video helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.